Hello, learners. Welcome back to another powerful English Plus motivation session. Today's message is simple but life-changing. Don't waste your life. In this lesson, you will listen, repeat, and learn English while building a strong mindset. So relax, focus on my voice, and start this journey with me. Part 1. Simple sentences. Plus, repetition, repeat slowly. Life is short. Time goes fast. Every day matters. Small habits shape big futures. My life has meaning. Now listen. Many people waste time on things that do not help their future. They scroll for hours, watch meaningless videos, sleep late, and delay their dreams. You are different. You are here to grow. You are here to learn. You are here to change your life. Part 2. Vocabulary plus practice. Sentences. Vocabulary. Direction. The path you choose. Effort. Work you put in consistency. Doing something regularly. Mindset. The way you think. Potential. Your hidden power. Practice. I choose the right direction. I give effort every day. I build consistency. I grow my mindset. I unlock my potential. Now listen, your potential is bigger than your excuses. Your future is bigger than your fears. Your dreams are waiting for you. But you must stop wasting your life. Part 3. Story number 1. The clock on the wall. There was a young man named Omar. He always said, "I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow he will exercise. Tomorrow he will study. Tomorrow he will change his life." But tomorrow never came. One day he looked at the clock on his wall. The clock was moving. Tick, tick, tick. The clock said nothing, but the message was clear. Time moves, even when you don't. Omar felt a shock inside his heart. He realized he was losing everything by wasting time. That day he finally started. He studied. He worked. He changed. And his life changed. Part 4. Listening practice. Time and life. Repeat after me. Time is my biggest asset. I respect my time. I use every hour wisely. I control my habits. I choose discipline. Now listen. If you respect time, time will respect you. If you control your habits will build your future. If you use your day wisely, your life will become meaningful. People don't fail because they are weak. People fail because they waste time. Part 5. English phrases plus explanation. Useful English phrases. I am working on my future, meaning I am improving myself. I am building better habits, meaning I am changing my lifestyle. I am focused on my goals. I don't waste time anymore. My success depends on my actions. Now repeat all 5 sentences slowly for practice. Part 6. Story number 2. The 5-year question. A teacher once asked his students, "What will your life look like in 5 years?" Most students laughed. Some said, "I don't know." Some said, "I don't think about the future." The teacher smiled and replied, "Whether you think about it or not, the future will come. The question is, will you be ready?" 5 years pass fast, very fast. If you start today, you can change everything. If you waste today, you lose everything. So ask yourself, what will my life look like in 5 years? Your answer depends on what you do today. Part 7. Deep motivation plus guided English practice. Repeat powerfully. I am responsible for my life. I choose progress. I choose growth. I choose hard work. I choose a better future. Now listen, you cannot change yesterday, but you can change today. And today can change everything. No one will come to save you. No one will push you. No one will force you. You must rise by yourself. Don't waste your mornings. Don't waste your nights. Don't waste your life. Part 8, story number 3. The two paths. Imagine two paths in front of you. Path 1, easy, comfortable. No learning, no effort, no growth. This path wastes your life. Path 2, difficult, challenging, full of discipline, hard work, and learning. But this path leads to success. Most people choose path 1. Smart people choose path 2. Which path will you choose? You must choose wisely. Your life depends on it. Part 9. Final message. Plus, slow repetition. Final repetition. My life is valuable. My time is precious. I will stop wasting my life. I will learn every day. I will improve every day. I will not give up. I will succeed. Now listen carefully. Your life is a gift. Don't waste it. Your time is limited. Use it wisely. Your dreams are waiting. Go and chase them. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. And thank you for choosing growth. See you in the next video.